If you want to know how to use the Epson Smart Panel app, this guide is for you. I'm assuming you've already downloaded the app and added your Epson printer to it. If you haven't done that yet, be sure to check out our previous videos on this channel. Once that's done, the Epson Smart Panel app makes it easy to print photos, documents, and scan files directly from your phone with just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do step by step with ease. And if you need additional help at any point of time, feel free to contact on our numbers displayed on the screen for personalized support. With that said, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Go to your phone's App Store, whether that's the App Store for iPhone or Google Play for Android, and search for Epson Smart Panel. Once you find the Epson Smart Panel app, go ahead and hit the install button to download the app on your phone. Wait for the download to complete. Once the app is fully installed on your phone, tap on the Open button to launch the app for the first time. After launching the app, you're going to see on-screen instructions that will guide you through the setup process. Find and select the Epson printer you want to connect with this app. Once it's selected, tap on OK to finish the initial setup. On the next screen, you'll be asked to select the type of the home screen you want to use. You're going to see an option called Use Tiles in the lower right corner. Simply tap on it to select it. Once you've selected the tile's home screen type, your home screen will display all the available options, including print and scan. Now that the app is all set up and ready to go, let's move ahead and start printing with the Epson Smart Panel app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful tutorials like this one. On the home screen of the app, tap on the print option to start the printing process. The app will now ask you to select whether you want your print photos or print documents. Go ahead and choose whichever option matches what you want to print. Now, you're going to be asked to choose the files you want to print from your phone. Browse through your phone and select the files you want to print. Once you've selected your file, the app will automatically show you a preview of your photo or document, so you can see exactly what it's going to look like when printed. If you want to change any print settings, click on the small gear icon located in the lower left corner of the screen. Any adjustments you need, and tap on Done to save all your settings. Once everything is set up exactly the way you want it, tap on the Print button to send your document or photo directly to your Epson printer. Now, just wait for your printer to print your documents or photos. It should start printing within a few moments, and your printed document will be ready in no time. Alright, so now you know how to print using the Epson Smart Panel app. Let me show you how to scan your documents and photos as well. The scanning process is just as easy. In fact, it's even simpler. From the home screen of the app, tap on the Scan option to start the scanning process. The app will then ask you what you want to scan. If you want to make any adjustments to the scan settings, like the resolution, file format, or color, go ahead and make those changes now before you start actual scanning. Once everything is set up, ready to go, tap on the Start button to begin the scanning process. Your printer will now scan your document or photo and send directly to your phone. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, You can let us know in the comments section.